What are you grabbing him for? What are you grabbing him for?
I'm not grabbing anybody.
This is not going to go.
Go down for 5 minutes.
Throw her down, dude. What are they doing?
Okay, that's crazy.
Get out of the house.
That's crazy. Stop resisting. Stop.
This is starting off nice. So I think this is a domestic dispute. Some dude was trying to move out, Florida, some shit. Let's see.
She just kicked me.
Fuck you.
Hey, grab. I got her wrist right.
Well, guess they got her in the cop car. Uh-oh. What does she think she's doing? Where are you going to go? You going to get in the front seat and drive away? What are you doing? Man, crazy lady. What are you gonna do? Bash out the back window? It's not even using her head at all. Just gonna escape these cuffs and then bust out the back window with your fist? You think you can do that? No.
Ma'am, what's going on?
It just came off.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Get out. Give me yours.
They just came off. Whoops. Flipped out. My bad. Come on, lady. Let's watch that again.
Ma'am, what's going on?
It just came off.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Get out. Give me yours. Get out. Try this again. If you come out of them next time, you're going to be hobbled, okay? I don't want to do that to you.
Sure, yeah.
You're
What about
definitely.
him though?
You want to hobble? I got it.
Yeah?
Oh, no, no.
What about the bloody fucking mess I had?
Ma'am,
Stop.
Yeah,
Stop.
that's me. Is
We're
that
not,
funny
we're
because a
not,
woman?
we're not doing
Double
this.
I asked for a woman for this.
If you push it, yeah.
1235. 1235 ride. 37 Handcuffs.
What are you? What are you grabbing him for? What are you grabbing him for?
I'm not grabbing anybody.
This is not going to go.
Go down for 5 minutes.
Throw her down, dude. What are they doing? Why would you just try to escape the cuffs, dude? Like, I don't understand. That's crazy criminal behavior. Am I wrong?
Give me your arm. Give me your arm.
She's just like face down right in the fucking ground, dude. Wow.
Give me your arm.
She's pulling her arm underneath.
Yeah.
She's pulling her arm. Okay, she's out. It's out. It's out. I got it. I got her arm.
Ow!
So I guess according to her boyfriend, he was trying to move out, or she was trying to move out, and she blocked him in their home and pushed him, briefly blocked him from leaving the closet. He eventually managed to get past her and went outside to his truck. And so she got charged with domestic battery, false imprisonment, resisting an officer with violence because she kicked one of the officers, and battery on a law enforcement officer. She was later released on an $8,000 bond. I mean, come on now, guys. What are we doing here? Trying to block her own boyfriend from leaving and trying to move out. There's just never any reason to get physical like that.